In the ever-changing UK business landscape, demand for business law experts is higher than ever, and with over 18,000 graduates each year, competition is tough. But you can pursue your passion in the field of business law in a whole new way with recognized qualifications. Whether you're a student eager to enter into the field or a professional seeking to enhance your skills, an Ofqual-regulated qualification opens doors to exciting roles such as business lawyer, corporate consultant, compliance officer, or legal advisor. You can gain the knowledge and expertise you need to influence the business world. Apart from that, you'll build a resume with a recognized credential that not only impresses employers but sets you apart. Now is the time to pursue your passion for business and law and shape your career the way you want. So, earn your qualification from Inspire London College today and position yourself as a business law professional.